We're caught in the rain. Taking the heart into yoga. Na 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 na. Hey, you two, welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday to you. I'm just here taking a quick moment. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the outfit here. It's a set, but I'm not supposed to be in the outfit here already, so I need to actually, show no. It's a repeated outfit, it's not a new one. Alright, take up some laundry. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe, leave a positive comment, share, like, hit the notification bell for Amanda's Reality. We're on the road to 2,000k subscribers. So subscribe and be a part of the journey. Thank you in advance. I'm gonna pull these right away.
to text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, and my keys, and my passion. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen.
Guys, one thing, the mayonnaise finished fast in this also. Okay? Yeah, we love mayonnaise. So this is the dinner. No, I did not cook today. And that's this cook. You know what this need, guys? Pear. Pear. Damn. So guys, we finished eat, but I can't get up right away. Guess what? My right foot drop asleep. Oh man, my right foot drop asleep on me, guys. I have to wait. Come no, man. So the foot just drop asleep on my side. Let's shake it off. Alright. Alright. So guys, yesterday was KFC 50th anniversary. So they did a one-day promotion where you buy a meal, whether it's a bucket or a big deal or whatever, and you get a two-piece free. You're probably asking why I didn't attend the event. Because I wasn't interested. Anywho, so it was a promotion for all their KFC outlet in each parishes. So I'm gonna show you some video clips of what took place, guys. It's kind of disturbing. We as Jamaicans need to do better. Watch these videos and comment below and let me know what you think.
From 7 o'clock. Yeah, we are town me I come from. That town cold. Full some power of food. Yeah.
llama. Calipijonguito y Dilo siempre. Calipijo Rochi cuando mujeres preña. Calipijo del Jesse quien responde por eso.
Boy, me can't tell you say. So I go on guys, me there at Santa Cruz at the KFC and me I go show you what I go on. Me there and me I try. Let me show you where me there. Don't think I joke, you see me? Me I go try see if me can reach inside car. Boy, me I tell you. Wanna let me in that place here? Sorry darling. Sorry darling. No. So guys, me I go see if me sorry. Sorry darling. I thought that police lady here. Oh, I'm this up. Sicky. Come through darling. You want me general, let me know that place Alright, so anyway. So guys, I'm there try to get in, but boy, may I tell you, I know nothing normal down here.
You wanna
Trust me.
From when?
I know nothing normal down here, guys. People they all about a KFC around there, so. Master God, guys, war out for broke all down here, so. Boy, trouble. Guys, watch your bracing and go on there, so. Boy. Me can't tell you, say, some of them people here can't get inside a KFC today. Watch ya. A fight out for broke, so you know. A fight out for broke, so you know, guys. You know, watch what go on. Watch ya. Watch ya. Guys, our worries. Master God, guys. Master God.
Look at crowd at Rockford KFC before 10 a.m.
What's your dog?
Type of crowd politicians hope for at polling stations. But there's no wish for ink on fingers here, just grease. King Street in downtown Kingston. People like Dawn say come what may, dusk or dawn, she's not leaving without chicken.
Yeah, I want my chicken. I want it nice, spicy. You say the barbecue? You say the original? I'll beer something.
So you say this, the long line now deter you from going in?
No, you're mad. Me have to go in there. I'm afraid them have to go in there too. The whole of we have to go in there. I'll pack up in there. Got beer chicken. Yeah.
No teeth? No problem.
I in a denchi, you can eat the chicken same way. You understand? All a woman there, she just take out her teeth and a KFC she wait for. You understand? Got it full of spice.
I'm here from 5:45 because we know that the crowd is going to be here. And you know that it's KFC 50th anniversary, so you know a lot of people is going to be here. Everybody want to buy one, get one free, so you know nobody now going to pass them deal. And I tell you the truth, the way how I sleep on time, the clock, every tick of the clock, I time from 1 o'clock till 5 o'clock. I couldn't sleep no longer. I had to just get up and come out here.
What time have you been here from?
9:20.
And why did you come out today?
For the free 2-piece of chicken, the baby I get the leg and wing.
What's so special about KFC?
Boy, I'm gonna know them tie the whole Jamaica, the whole 14 parishes. All who wanna have KFC come at town for KFC.
Finger licking, man. Finger licking good. Well seasoned to the bone. There's no other thing like KFC. You understand?
KFC is a place like, you know, excitement, and in here go full. Someone be the first person to get served. So sleep and wake a lot of time. But she clock, that's me, can be the first person to be here. I'm excited, you know, because I love chicken and my daughter them love chicken. So I appreciate, you know, so I'm there in the bunch.
6 o'clock and I'm from Payne Avenue.
And why did you decide to come out this morning?
I hear about the deal. Buy 3, get 2 free. And I have to make it. Not such a man. Remember, so we have to make it, you know. We are all Jamaicans. And we spend our money. So when we hear free, I just want it free and done. That's it, man. I don't know when I first.